Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. This time we're talking about appeals. Appeals. Hear that every single day. Will you please help me to appeal the officer's decision? You know what? My visa request has been refused. Now let me appeal it. Let me fight with the officers. Let me just penalize them or punish them. That's what I hear all the time. So in this video I want to explain you very briefly what essentially appeal means and how to deal with that. So say your visa to Canada has been refused, your immigration application has been refused, and you're looking to rectify the situation. First and foremost, I believe we spoke about it in the previous videos, you have to know the particulars. You cannot bluntly come to the officers and tell them, you know what guys, you're wrong, I'm right, now change the case. No, it doesn't work this way. You have to know what exactly has happened. That's why you have to place a request under the Access to Information Act. If you want to do this, come to us, we will help you out, right? We will try to do it for you as soon as it's humanly possible. Now, when you got your document with a bunch of explanations, who was working on your case, how it has been processed, which stage it has reached, and how it has been worked on, what were the notes which visa officer has left when refusing your case, then we will be able to decide what to do next. Option number one, request for reconsideration. And under this umbrella, I would say I'm incorporating different options. We could just write to the office which has been processing you. You could write to case review. There are multiple options. Not necessarily they will work, but if there is a particular error in law where an officer made a decision which is contradicting the law entirely and completely, it could work, right? So we could always write to the case review and ask them, guys, would you please reconsider the decision? And sometimes it would work. Now, another option is appeal. This appeal means you would go to the federal court, literally go, of course, right? Because figuratively, because you're not going there yourself, right? Somebody has to do it for you. Our lawyers will be able to help you out to file the application, but here's the deal. The case will be processed on paper. Nobody would be discussing it face to face with a judge, right? So the federal court would make their decision based on the facts provided, based on the written explanation of what has happened. So IRCC, or formerly CIC, would provide their ideas, we would provide the notes, and the judge would decide, okay, was there actually an error made on the side of immigration officers? Now, timing is essential when it comes to the appeal. If your refusal has been made in Canada, you got 15 days from the date you received the decision to process to the federal court. If it was outside of Canada, you got maximum of 60 days to do that. Either or, you have to act very, very quickly. This is essentially what appeal means. It does not again mean that, look, I was refused, I believe that the officers were wrong, would you please help me out to rectify the case? That never works. But if you believe you got grounds for appeal, if you believe that there was an error, in that case, mostly welcome. We will discuss it one-on-one. Thank you. Stay tuned with us. As always, leave the comments at the bottom of the video, or our direct contacts are at the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel.